Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is about 8:45 on October 27th, and 8:30 we have durable orders, Case-Shiller 20 City Home Price Index, consumer confidence, so some economic numbers that came out, and didn't have a dramatic effect on the market. We were still basing sideways after running up higher and then pulling back to an area of support and that filled gap right there. And if I look out a higher time frame, let's talk about what happened over the last couple of days here. We saw this beautiful run up pre-market, and then a good size sell-off, good volume associated with that, and then chopping around right at our 107 mark. Below that, a fairly good test of our 106.50. All right, so that is going to be one thing that I'll be watching out for. Boy, so when I'm looking at a high base like this and it has some damage with a fairly good size print, I'll be watching very carefully how we take apart 107. And again, so good support here, if I remove that, is 106.50 and then 106 even. So those are my supports on the way down I'll be looking at. And if we do form a lower swing or a higher swing low through here on a higher time frame, I'll be watching this to see if it can come back up into this range, and if so, how dramatically it will do it. But right now, that's a bit of a confirmed sell-off, I would say. So the VIX spent a good part of the day yesterday basing on its high, chopping higher, working its way even higher than that, then pulling back to that area of support. So that confirms also that sell-off. The trend also marched higher up into the 1.5 range and then went all the way to 2.6 and closed around 2.2. So that's a lot of volume flowing into that stock on the decline or on the broad market. However, the trend Q, interestingly enough, was like pulling teeth to get it to come up to 1.4 even, and it actually closed the day around the 0.86 area, 0.8. So I'll be watching that as a potentially non-confirming market internal. So the bank, one more thing to kind of look at, is a big one that D7 likes a lot, has been falling as well. And so right through here, when I see something like that, that's again yet another confirming factor that we saw a sell-off that was confirmed by many, many market internals. Just be wary of the trend Q and any economics events that might be coming out and being a catalyst in the market. So I hope you guys have a great morning, and I'll talk to you around noon at how our day is progressing.